baby, while we're young.
So today we are on our way to Pirates Bight, which is super awesome. And on the way, we see some really cool big yachts and a super yacht with the slide out, like the kind you see on below deck. I don't know if you guys are Bravo fans or not, but there are some pretty cool boats out there on the way. And the water was just beautiful, absolutely gorgeous, just pristine. And I think it was no deeper than like 40 to 50 feet. I could be wrong there, but for the most part, where we were cruising, it was pretty shallow. So pretty awesome. Check it out.
Yeah. That's weird, Doug. In the contract, I thought we were.
Wow. The kids got a little R&R time with Bethany on the way to Pirates Bight, which is super cute. Here we are, Pirates Bight in Norman Island. What do you think, babe?
I think I want to just stay here.
This place is pretty awesome. It's starting to fill up with yachts and catamarans right now. We passed a super yacht on the way with a huge slide out. Probably see that in another video. But oh look, Miles is playing in the sand. Look at all this little restaurant behind us, which we're gonna have lunch at, which is gonna be awesome. Wow. This right here. Came up from Captain Doug, dropped us off. We got a little spot on our beach right back here, right on our palm tree. Seems convenient. This Miles! Look here, are you giggling? Are you giggle schmiggling? Come here. It was so awesome to see the kids just having the time of their life, and Miles was just loving it, man. He was giggling and running. It was super cool. And man, what an awesome time. Here we are. Look at this place, huh? Wow, this is pretty awesome. There. Famous Willie T's is over there. After a long day of fun in the sun, we decide to take it back to the boat, relax, get ready for dinner. Bubba? Oh boy, the struggle is real. Whoa! Ah! He wants to be on the ground running around. That's my boy. Goodness! Okay. Oh, don't throw that. Look at that sunset. Woo! On the bow of the Gambit. Enjoying a libation. Look at this couple. We were close to Willie T's, which got a good little history lesson on that. Wow, this is beautiful. Or as my son says, wow. Wow. Oh, hey, this little thing came out. Bonk. All right, so just winding down the day here, and I guess this is Norman Island. So we'll be at Willie T's bar famous Willie T's, infamous, famous Willie T's bar, snorkel spot, and then we're off to Soggy Dollar Bar later. Yay! Say that.
Soggy dollar.
Soggy Dollar, y'all. Dollar, dollar, make you holler. Soggy Dollar, y'all. Hey, Isabella. You wanna be on camera?
Super.
Hey, look.
Super.
So hop at the moon. Oh, full moon behind you. Look up.
Wow.
Or almost a full moon. Wow. Oh, and it's Friday the 13th.
Oh, we just have to go back.
Wow, the sunsets were just unbelievable. And man, did we have an amazing time as a family. Memories for a lifetime. Highly recommend this trip. What an amazing time. Am I gonna get up? Okay, there I go. Okay, sit. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna get up now. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay, here I go. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye button. Well, I hope you enjoyed traveling with us. If you liked the video, subscribe and check out the videos we have to come.